A very important type of constraint in zero-one integer programming is mutually exclusive constraint. In this type of constraint, you are given option A and option B, and you can choose only one of them. To understand this, let's consider a situation in which you are selecting courses for next semester. Let the course A be business analytics and course B be decision analysis. So there are guidelines from the university that you cannot take both courses X1 and X2 in the same semester, or the timetable does not allow you to select both. So you have to pick either course X1 or course X2. They both mean the same thing. This is a situation of mutually exclusive constraints. So mathematically, you can write this situation as x1 plus x2 less than equal to 1. So this is the truth table for this constraint because it was told that you can select either one of them. So you can opt to not select both of them. So in this case, this equation will be valid. Or you can select x1 and leave out x2, or you can select x2 and leave x1. But what is not valid here is that you choose both x1 and x2. In this situation, if you choose both x1 and x2, this constraint will be violated. So if you want to see the practical application of this type of constraints, watch my video on zero-one integer programming and knapsack problems. The link of these videos is given in the descriptions. Thanks for watching.